This work we started today.
Okay.
So our customer requested for black material.
Okay.
So we started this work this morning.
Okay.
So I might show you around the work where we don't do. So see the front now. See where we put the first piping.
Okay. Show where the first piping. My people, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Oga water connector man, good evening.
Yeah. Now good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
So me want to talk to you. So my name now Osabon. What about your name?
My name now Obina, Mr. Obina.
That is the water connector man.
Yeah, water connector man.
Why did I come monitor water connector? One of our viewers and doctor should give you. Now come money for today. You will take me around the work. Whether you don't finish or you see it on it before they take me around the work. Our viewer, before you give any of our client work, you got to call our number on top of this video. So, Oga water connector will start.
Okay. This work we started today.
Okay.
So our customer requested for black material.
Okay.
So we started this work this morning.
Okay.
So I might show you around the work where we don't do. So see the front now. See where we put the first piping.
Okay. Show where the first piping. Okay.
Okay. So
I dey come.
okay.
Okay, Mogu.
Okay.
Okay, this one is the second one.
And second piping, you can see.
Okay, now this one they call gutter, abi?
This one they call pipe.
No, that one.
Okay, that way they up. Okay. Then they call gutter. And they receive the water.
Okay.
They come down.
Okay. Because you go through this pipe.
Through this pipe now. Go on this one. See on the elbow.
Okay.
The pipe clip.
Okay.
So the one where they call hanger, they inside.
Okay.
But those in a 4-4.
Okay.
Now they use that inside. The hanger for up with the long screw.
Okay.
I want to use wire for my work.
Okay.
Long screw and hanger.
Okay. Where they go?
Okay. So you see when you put like this now, see where we join them. You see this one we use, like say they use gum.
May I show you?
And the total joiner where they join together.
Okay. Okay.
So going down, see the other piping for here. So
okay. May I show them the other pipe?
All right. You see, very just.
Okay.
Okay. So as we go now.
Okay, the same thing we do then I see there. So
I see there here. You observe, the ridges be this one don't cover them.
Okay.
Because the owner say you want to make it cover that ridge. You say the best way do the aluminum no straighten away. So with this aluminum, you don't cover, don't bring out the beauty of that place. You don't bring out the beauty of it. You see everything just covered. So we don't go down here. You see the drop in here again.
Okay, now I see the dropping again.
You see.
Okay.
Normally in a 3-3. So as you do like this, now water will circulate well. Okay. Very well.
Okay.
So we go to the side of the house.
See there for the side of the house?
Yes, see there.
Okay,
yes,
one let's show our view from
okay.
Oh, here. Okay. I want to go. Okay, because it get dropping here.
For back here, say one dropping for the back.
Okay, then one they put for back, abi?
And one we put for back. Why we say you not too wide like that?
Okay.
Now basically we pass wide and we request for 2.
Okay.
So this water pipe can hold water here.
Okay.
Well.
Okay.
So see the other side of the house. Okay.
Okay. This one was on that gutter.
Yes.
That is the pipe.
On that pipe, yes. You can see one clip here, one clip for the up there.
Okay, there is one clip.
Because you know sometimes if person wants to see person work, with a drill screw, they make it hold and wear.
Okay.
Near there, 2 they put for our own then 1.
Okay.
The same thing there.
Okay.
So make it solid because now waiting now future.
Okay.
Not waiting they do come out. So you don't get this one say one pull come out or say waiting up or breeze one put and come out. Because everything they put an extra. The gutter, the hanger now 4-4 they use.
Okay.
You see this one?
Okay, let's see this one. Okay, that's still the same lock.
Yeah, lock. Yeah, the lock and one.
Okay, okay.
That's everything sealed.
Okay, okay.
So go down. You know, see this place now.
Okay.
You see this place now we bend now. This gutter now, don't give am the beauty.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know, sir. Because before, if you say you could also see something go inside. But this gutter, don't cover them, don't bring out the shape of the stuff. So that be the beauty of water connector. Yes, sir. No matter what say they bring water connector, they bring out beauty for the house. To make it look mature.
Because I still say they bend.
It
goes straight.
It goes straight. Like it can cover. You don't say you can't pack them.
Yes.
Make it no. You understand? So that's say the portion it be. So.
Well, that fault now from the people who roof and
the wood, the wood where they do. Not say the wood. Not say else for they just do wood. You know, see na future. Person has to be every person.
Exactly.
So.
Exactly.
So now we look at 1, 2, 3. I put for there. So now the 8 pipe now. Okay. So we do the last one for there. So. With my team.
Sure. I know. So they see the your team see the work on this side. Okay. Yes. Okay, making another pipe we want to here.
And you see what you happen now. You see, cause window there here.
Yeah.
One window there here. We can't use the bata.
Okay. Okay, make curve.
Make curve. So make you not touch them. Because I first the open window.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll sit
go the front
here.
The front.
Okay, but they're not people for front here.
They're not people for front here
because of the way.
Because this is why people be say the shoots out, you know, come out where
exactly.
You know, I just because the way they don't come out this one.
Yes.
So sometimes our client don't they like make they put her for pillar.
Okay.
But we because if I will say this thing should come out, I will find the reason why we put our pillar. Why we say water go they gather here because of the place where they come out.
Okay.
So you give us. It's going to make you put our pillar on the side of the pillar. I just wait for example, but this one side they okay. Exactly. They don't need to put pillar here, pipe for pillar here.
Exactly.
Because you know two come out.
Okay.
In case of house we come out, at least as I will be expertise, both like tell you say but you not do like that now. Say me put them for the corner there. Water go they gather there.
Okay.
Now be the experience we do. They get some poor workmen now. They will just put them as you tell them. Last time you got that water for that place because it will come out.
Okay.
So what we tell us say, man, now we all put one pipe for there so that if they come out, they come down.
Okay.
But this one now they okay. They used to put them for the pillar side.
Okay, I don't see.
Okay.
So my people, the water connector man don't take me around the house. I don't see the work we do say it's almost two. Only one way they connect there.
Yes.
So Oga water connector man, like how much material enter this very house?
Like how much material enter this house, was about 370,000 naira.
Okay, both your labor,
both transport, both material costs. 370.
Okay, 370. Yes,
well, but more probably it was 400, but 370 we bargained for 370.
Okay.
In a customer, yes.
Okay. In case of other viewer come across this walk through our channel, you see one for them like that.
I would depend on the house where they build.
Okay.
Like upstairs now, you can't compare upstairs price with a down house.
Exactly.
You can't compare a duplex to a down house, or you can't compare a duplex to a upstairs.
Okay.
So depends. Where you measure them, they will know how they go. It might be less than, it might be higher than.
Okay.
It's 50-50.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You quick call your number when our viewer finish.
Okay. My number is 070 69 78 65 09.
Come again.
070 69 78 65 09.
That number they will reach you.
Yes, 080 33 88 46 11. I'm always available 247 on WhatsApp.
On WhatsApp.
That's my online. I'm always online.
Okay.
When I will be night, so I will wake up. I'm on first defend.
Okay.
You know now 4 for night. I will be on live and call you talk.
Okay. So my people, I greet ourselves when they watch this video.